Where are you going? Look at those legs. Look, I'll help you. Look, I'm gonna put my... Lift that head. Lift it. Trying to turn over, aren't you? Don't get mad. Oh. He's trying to go somewhere, isn't he? Oh, it's okay. You got this. Show the camera how you can lift your head. Lift your head. You've been doing such a good job. You don't want to do it for the camera? Okay.